Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm telling you how to call Uber driver customer support fast. I'm making this video as quick as I can. I want you all to be able to call Uber customer support as fast as you can because I know how annoying it is to need to talk to them and you can't get a hold of them. Before I get started, I want to tell you all about our sponsor, Current. Current helps drivers get paid up to 2 days faster. You get cash back on gas, no overdraft up to 200 bucks. And they pay you 4% APY. I use Current. I have over $1,000 in my account. It's legit. Sign up for Current for free, no account minimums. Link below. And now let's get started. All you want to do is go to your Uber driver app. So I have my Uber driver app right here. My account needs attention. You need to contact Uber support. Click the top 3 lines in the top left corner. You want to scroll down to help. What you want to do, help with the trip? No, they hide it from you. You want to scroll all the way to the bottom and you want to click on call support. You can click your preferred language, click call us. And if you don't have that option, here you go. Use this number, 1-800-593-7069. Thanks for watching. Bye now.